Hey guys, it's Kugli again with another video, and this time I've got some unboxings to do. Well, let's just say that it is part of my ongoing endeavor to improve the video production quality which I have going on here. So this is basically my set, and you can probably see if this is a product which I'm trying to make a video on, which it mostly is a phone. You can see there is a lot of shadows and the lighting here is not very good. So that is the thing which I just bought. It is a lighting kit available on Amazon.com, and well, let's see how this goes. So stay tuned for that. So guys, let's open this up and see what we have here. So I just received this thing. I don't even know what is available. I bought two of them. This is one of the packages. There is a kit available out there which is basically the same thing with two bulbs or two lighting sources, a stand, and the batteries and all that included, but that thing was about 9,500 rupees. Now one of this bulb kits are 3,200, and I bought two of them, which will come to about 6,400 math. Anyways, so giving us a total of, even after I bought a stand for it, which is the exact same stand as what the kit one was providing, the prices are pretty reasonable. I'm actually saving about 1,500 rupees with the standalone cases, which is not usually the case. So in the package we have three things. Let's go over with that. Here is the charger for the battery. Yes, it has a battery pack. It is basically a camcorder battery pack, which is probably a fake one. Anyways, it is whatever it is. So we have that, and we'll be trying that out soon enough. Here is the package for the bulb kit. So this is called in Osaka Mach 3 OS 300 Pro LED light. So it has a gazillion LED lights. It has a color temperature range of from 3200 to 5600K, so that is cool. It has a few things about it. It has a dual power input. It can be with a battery or direct plug. It has a digital display. I'm not really sure why. It is not wireless, so yeah, it is crossed up. It has a strong bottom shoe mount, which I'll have to check. It has a 3-channel selection, which I'm not really sure what the fuck that is. Microcontroller based battery display level is there, super bright LED, and it has a diffuser built in. So I get a warranty card, I get a user manual, which I mean, why do I need a user manual for this one? I would need it, but anyways, let's just keep that right now here. So here is the optional, or here is the basic lighting kit, which is shrink wrapped. Okay, it is a power button, I guess. Shrink wrapped and well protected and all that, so I'll be keeping that aside. Apart from that, nothing else which you will get with this one. You do have a handle, so if you are into photography, or if you are into videography, like wedding videography and all that, and if you want an assistant, just having the lights around, this might work pretty well if the battery life can cope up with it. Let's keep this aside and see how this goes. Let me just open this up. It's actually heavier than I expected. It's not entirely plastic, so that's I think it's a good thing. Okay, so we have it open up. Here is the color thing. It already has the diffuser inside of it, I believe. Yeah, it has it. Yeah, the diffuser is already inside. You can change the diffuser out. Here is the diffuser, which is the white diffuser. It has a reflector, which is orange peel textured, which is cool. So yeah, one thing which I did like, and I did not expect it to have it, is the ball mount, or the joint, which is swivel oriented. So you can actually swivel it around even without any assistance and all that. So that's pretty cool. I like that. So yeah, there you have it. That is the bulb itself, or light itself. The other package is the same thing. I'm not going to show you guys and bore you with it, but anyways, it is also available. Let me just open up the charger and see if anything rings a bell here. Okay, basic charger. It comes with a plug. and sadly that plug is not usable directly onto the light, which I would have liked to have it, but it's not. That's fine. So yeah, now we have the battery itself. I'm pretty sure the battery will not be charged correctly or fully charged, so I am still gonna try it. So let's insert this and slide it up and see if it is even working. Yeah, probably it doesn't have a charge on it. Usually what happens when you get brand new stuff, so you will have to charge it again and see. Now I will let you guys know how this one works, or how this is useful, or hopefully this thing will improve, give me a little bit more lighting into my shots. I have been using something similar to this one previously, which is a janky solution. If I can find pictures of it, I will show you guys. Recently that was pretty unsafe to have, honestly, because of all the exposed wires and metal, so I discarded that. So I guess that much is it about the video. Then I will be charging this and letting you guys know how this thing works. Hopefully it won't be too long before I can use this. So yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.